How to add USDT on Zengo wallet. Are you guys facing issues to add USDT on Zengo wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Open the Zengo app on your mobile device. Once you open the Zengo app, tap on Receipt button. After you click on Receipt button, tap on the list of supported assets and search for USDT. After you click on USDT, you'll be able to see the icon like QR code or address. If you are receiving from another wallet or exchange, copy this address and paste it to the withdrawal section. Important: make sure the network you choose on the sending platform matches with the shown in Zengo, or your funds could be lost. After the transaction is sent and confirmed, its USDT balance will show up automatically in Zengo. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add Zengo on USDT. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.